Hi guys, today video we're going to see about the Google count, somehow much more about our Google count. Go to the Google count. As soon as we click on go to Google count, then we will be in our Google count. For example, I open my Google count here, and now I place complete. Now you can see that is the Google account, and after that I will place my password here. And that is my password. Now as soon as I click on next, my Google account will be signed up here. Now you can see much more options on the left side of screen. First of all, here is the option of home, then personal info, then data and privacy, then security, people and sharing, payment and subscription, and about. In today's video, we are going to see about only the home settings. Here you can see, first of all, here is my profile picture. As soon as I click on profile picture, here's the option add profile picture. Now you can see here multiple options. You can select profile picture from here, and you can also choose it from your gallery. So as soon as I click forward, now I am going to select that one on my profile picture. Okay, I click it, and I save that on my profile picture. You can see we have set it our profile picture. Now I click on got it, and after that, here is a welcome icon. Here's my name. Then is the manager info, privacy and security to make Google work better for you. So how can you manage your security settings, the privacy settings, so that your Google account may work better for you? First of all, is the option for privacy and personalization. You can see the data in your Google account and choose what activity is safe to personalize your Google categories. Manage your data and privacy. Now, going to manage my data and privacy, you can see here key privacy options to help to choose the data saved in Google account that you see and so you share with others. So if you move forward, here's the privacy suggestion available. As I click on review suggestion, you can see here are the options for reviewing the suggestion so that you can review your privacy suggestions generated from Google services used the most. How can we make a plan? For example, make a plan for your account. Use inactive account manager to plan what happened to your data if you stop using your account. So as soon as I click on make a plan, you can see inactive Google Manager. For example, I saw a plan what happened to your data if you cannot use your Google account anymore. Decide when Google should consider your account to be inactive and what we do with your data afterward. You can share it with someone you trust or ask your Google to delete it. As soon decide when Google should consider your account inactive. As soon as I click on here, decide when Google should consider your Google account inactive. We will only trigger the plan you set up if you have not used your Google account for some time. So that after 3 months of inactivity, we will contact you 1 month before this time is up. No, that is add a phone number. Before we take any action, we will contact you multiple times by SMS and email. Add a phone number, we will contact you by SMS or email. And now you can see here add the recovery number and manage contact email. And as soon as you click on next, that is the following mail that we are going to make inactive. How can you make inactive? The Google will provide you the notification multiple times by SMS and email. You have to provide your number. You have to provide manage email manage your email. So today I'm not going to inactivate it. So just I have show you how can you make your account inactive. So if you see here, you have security recommendation, recommended actions found in the security checkup. You can click here to protect your account. If you want to protect your account, you have to click here. First of all, you have to place a recovery number, and then you have to place your recovery email. As soon as you place your recovery number, recovery email, your Google account will be more secure than before. And here's the option for safe browsing. Turn on safe browsing. Why we have to turn on enhanced safe browsing for your account? Get faster, more protective protection against dangerous website downloads and extension when you're signed in, and help improve security for you and everyone on web. That is a more necessary part. Sometimes the viruses or bugs get entered to your computer without any permission. So if you activate that option, save browsing, then any virus or bug cannot enter to your computer. So other option here is your devices. You can see not only as a single device, my laptop, as we have make this count only 25 minutes before, so only that count has been open on the laptop device. What you have to do for the last option? Here's the last option: recent security activity. You can see activity from the last 28 days. New sign in a window. Here you can see person windows. See and familiar activity. Continue to your Google account. As soon as I click on continue my Google account, here's my home page. Home page of my Google account, privacy checkup, search Google account, see more help, send feedback. If you want to send feedback, you can also contact the feedback team. But I will tell you that thing at the last of video. Only you can see your setting. You might also want to review your settings for maps, search, or whichever Google services you use most. Google keeps your data privacy safe and secure. Uh, Actually, it means that whatever you are looking on Google, YouTube, any site, Google will don't Google will not Google don't disturb your privacy. Google will not disturb your privacy, so that here the last point, Google keeps your data and privacy safe and secure. That line means that the Google will never challenge your uh, privacy. So at the end of video, I will request you, if you have find my video informative and knowledgeable, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also share that video with your friends. I hope you have find it more informative. So goodbye for today, and next day we will meet up with a new tutorial about the personal information of the Google account. What are the personal information of the Google account? Okay. Please provide your suggestion in the comment box below. I will wait for your suggestion, and then I will make new video according to your suggestions. Goodbye. Take care always.